Weebly is a great platform for building a small business website, but there are a few things that you need to know before you get started, which we're going to cover in this video. So if you're just getting ready, thinking about where you're going to build your website, and Weebly's on the table as an option, let's cover in just a couple minutes some of the overview of what you need to know before you put your hard-earned money and time into building on the platform to make sure it's right for you. Let's dive right into this. So Weebly is a popular website builder. It can be a good option for small, local businesses. Here's a breakdown of some of the pros and cons to help you decide if it's actually right for you. All right, so first up, the pros. Weebly's got a drag and drop interface, so it's known for being pretty beginner friendly. No coding experience, you can build a professional looking website. It's got a free plan, so you can check out a limited feature set. It's a great way to test it before you commit. Now, there are even e-commerce options. So if you do think your business is going to sell online, then you can consider this a useful one for selling your online products or services. Now, it does have mobile-friendly sites, so that's a big plus, and it has an app marketplace with a lot of third-party apps that can extend the functionality of your site. Now, before we dive into the cons, if you're looking for a simple professional website for your local business, click on the link below to Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month for a simple professional website that you can be proud of. Now, if that's not right for you and you're still thinking Weebly, let's jump into the cons. So it has some limited design customization. So while Weebly does offer a lot of templates, the design options can feel limited, especially compared to its competitors like Squarespace and Wix. So you might not achieve that super unique look that you're going for. It also has fewer marketing features. So both Squarespace and Wix have built-in marketing tools, but for Weebly, they're kind of more basic. So you'll likely need additional tools or a paid plan for features like email marketing or email service provider, things like that. Now, there are upgrade costs too. So adding features like appointment booking, removing ads, all that requires a paid plan, which can add up, especially if you're already relying on several apps on the platform too. These costs grow. And now, if you're thinking about scalability and your business is growing, Weebly might not be the best choice if you see significant business growth. The platform can become kind of clunky as you start trying to layer on and make it a big, robust website for a complicated business. If you like this video, hit that subscribe and like, because we're sharing all the different things you need to know about tools and digital marketing and how to grow and manage a local business. Thanks for joining me. We'll catch you in the next video where we're going to tell you how to create more visibility for your small business.